It's getting on for 12 o'clock, midnight, and I've been sitting here having a read, awaiting the arrival of Harriet. She normally sleeps with me. She doesn't seem comfortable with this bed yet. So, although she's gotten under the covers and snuggled up to me, but I have to go and find her. I don't know where she is. If she's happy where she is, I'll just leave her. What's the time now? Quarter to 12. Quarter to midnight. So look at the pillow. Let's go and have a look for her. Harriet! My voice. Harriet! I leave the landing light on all night for her. Harriet! Where are you? I leave that little light on for her. She's not in here, is she? Harriet! She knows my tone of voice, but I need a drink. Squeak our way downstairs. Harriet! Where are you? That's a box. She likes to play in. Not close the front room door. Kitchen, I've left the light on where her litter tray is. She's got water there. She's not going to sleep in where her litter tray is. Hey, look, Chantal. Clean litter tray. I'm going to get her a hooded one, I think. But the litter is changed completely every 2 days, every other day, and it's scooped every day, every single day. Your poor cats didn't get that, didn't they? You went weeks without changing the litter. Disgraceful. Cats are very clean animals, and yours are made to live in filth. Yeah, that was neglect, absolutely. Horrible cat mum she was. Well, she still is, isn't she? She's got another cat, which obviously she didn't get from a friend. A, they've got no friends, and B, there's hundreds of cats literally roaming the streets of Kuwait. So I guess they went out with their bait, the food, and grabbed the first one that came. Well, no, actually, they didn't grab the first one that came along. They grabbed one that would resemble BBJ. So that's what they did. Now, she can only go on the landing up here because all the doors are kept closed. Well, no, I haven't actually. I don't think the bedroom door where anybody who comes to stay will be. I've left that one open. I think, yeah, I have. So, can see her. I can see her. And what do you think you're doing? What do you think you're doing on the top floor? Up here, away from your mummy? Is it nice up here? Have you found a quiet place for yourself? I guess you have. That's her blue blanket anyway that she had on the base of my other bed. You can stay here tonight. You can. If you want to, I don't mind. As long as you're okay. I'm sorry, I'm sitting on your bed. I apologise, Harriet. I'm sorry, love. Listen to her purring. Oh, you're going in here now. This is a spare room. Isn't it? So all those boxes are Elvis records. I love that dressing table. All hand painted. It's lovely. So, you've got your underoos on all there as well. Who's coming to stay at the weekend? Are you going to sleep with them? Or are you going to be faithful to Mummy? What do you think? Come on then, I'm not going to disturb you, sweetheart. You sleep where you want to. She's purring away so loud. Okay, Mummy's going to leave you then. As long as you don't try and go through the banisters. That's the only thing I worry about, you know. Because she managed to, right down the bottom, and got through the banisters at the bottom, which wasn't a problem. But from here, it might well be, but she's gotten bigger since then. Okay, Mummy's going down. The lights are on for you. Oh, you coming with me?